Hello again, this is Dr. Eric Bricker. I'm back in the Frontier Direct Care Supply Closet, and what I want to point out today is cleanliness, because as we all know, cleanliness is next to godliness, so it's super important for all primary care clinics to be super clean. So let me show you some of the things that we have here to make that happen. So one, we have actually a small UV sterilization machine to help us sterilize reusable items. So we can re-sterilize them right here, okay? And then of course we have to have hand sanitizer, right? So one of the number one things that you can do to keep yourself healthy is to wash your hands a lot and use hand sanitizer a lot. The number one way that we get infections is actually by touching things, and then actually touching our face. Especially like because the bacteria or the virus can actually enter through our mucous membranes. And so not only through our mouth, but actually through our eyes. When we rub our eyes with virus and bacteria on our hands, then it can actually get into our bodies, actually through the mucosa of our eyes as well. So it's so important to keep those surfaces clean. And what are those germs that can be on surfaces, right? They are bacteria, virus, and then also fungus, also known as mold or yeast. And so it's super important that we wipe things down. I'm going to show you here specifically. Look, we've got the disposable germicidal surface wipes. Now notice it says bactericidal, tuberculocidal, virucidal, and fungicidal. Okay, so bactericidal means that it's going to kill the bacteria. Tuberculocidal means it actually will kill the tuberculosis germs, which actually, fortunately, we don't have a lot of tuberculosis, but if we did, then it would kill that as well. And then virucidal, obviously, it could be rhinovirus, which causes a cold. It could be coronavirus. It could be influenza, which is a virus. It could be, and then also, like when we get a quote unquote stomach bug, that's called enterovirus. So you actually, a viral infection of your stomach and intestines causes nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. So you want to be able to clean surfaces of that. And then finally, so like babies will have like a yeast infection in their mouth, right? So believe it or not, there's actually fungus or yeast all over our environments, right? So people can get fungal infections on their skin. That might be ringworm, or if they get it on their feet, it's athlete's foot. And then again, babies can get fungal infections in their mouth. People that are immunocompromised get fungal infections. So it's super important for a primary care clinic to be clean. And believe me, Frontier Direct Care clinics are clean. Thank you so much for watching.